we are using this liner press that I made. It works great. To get them pushed in, we're just using this impact, and all we're doing is running the head bolts down, not tight, just down. And then we're using a separate drill with a clutch on it just to press the liner in evenly, because you're not really supposed to use an impact or anything with a lot of strength to press the liners in. So I'll be filming number 4. I'm going to do number 1 first, but a couple of things I wanted to show you guys. With Caterpillar, sorry about the noise from the heater, but with Caterpillar it's different. They have different filler bands and they're different colors and they have to go different places. But with IPD they have a clevis seal, and it kind of goes not straight but out like that. And it's usually with Caterpillar you just have, they're the same thickness. But anyway, what we do is we coat this in soap. Most of the best cat guys use like Murphy's tire soap. I don't have any of that, but I do have some Dawn. And I know a lot of other cat guys and Cummins guys that use Dawn. So Dawn's okay. But you can't get any oil down here. Now there's a band that goes here. It's called a filler band. And not all kits use them, but most of them do. And this filler band is directional, so it has like a textured area. You can kind of see that shiny. The shiny part goes down to the liner. The textured part goes out. And these have to be covered in oil. I usually soak them in oil 10 seconds. And then I oil this area. And then on the block as well. Well, before I do that, I'll put soap in the bore. I'll soap up the bore really well. And then when I'm done with that, I'll oil this area too. That band expands with oil. Kind of nerve-wracking because you want to make sure this has plenty of oil with it because it needs to expand. You don't want to oil it too far before you put the liner in because it may expand too much, and then when you go to press it in, you may pinch it and then you're in trouble. So it's kind of nerve-wracking, so you got to be pretty quick. So again, the best thing to do, get the liner set up. Make sure all these are very clean. If you're reusing your liners, you want to make sure all these grooves are really clean, and clean it with brake clean before. Clean your lower bore and upper bore with brake clean as well. Make sure everything's super clean. And when you get all that done and you get your O-rings and your clevis seal or your Caterpillar O-rings, then put a lot of soap on here with your hand. Put soap on the lower bore. As soon as you're finished with that, start to lubricate this ring, paying attention that the texture side goes out. Lubricate that with oil. Lubricate this and your upper bore, and then go ahead and push it in. And we're going to push it in a second. You guys will see that as well. All right, so I already have soap on there, and I already have the rings oiled and everything else. I'm just double checking the band, make sure everything's good. It's not twisted. And here we go. And that's about it.